Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about another meme coin. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment and review purposes only. So always do your own research before doing anything else. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is the Soul Girl meme coin. You can buy it here at the pump.fun guys. So what is Soul Girl guys? On Solana is ready to rock the crypto world. She's here to show you what snagging a rock solid meme is all about guys. On Twitter, they have 1,337 followers right now guys. Okay, and on Telegram, they have 465 members and 136 online right now guys. Okay, so this is the Soul Girl and this is the contract others guys that you can copy and search for it on the pump or on Dex guys. Soul Girl is the meme token sensation powered by the community with a mission to shower wealth upon its investors with a vibrant of enthusiastic community backing it. Solger seeks to redefine how meme tokens can create value and engagement. The project encourages active participation and creativity, inviting investors to be part of the growing movement that blends fun with financial opportunities. Guys, the tokenomics has a starting supply of 1 billion. Burn SG is 249 million. The remaining supply is 751 million, guys. You can check this token, guys, on Dex Screener. And it's going up until tomorrow, guys. The buy has a 53% and 20% only on the sell, guys. This is good with a meme coin token, guys. Okay? So let's see the graph here. It going up and up. I think it's going to pop till tomorrow, guys. Okay, so this is 15 minutes graph. And let's see the 1 hour graph, guys. It goes up and up until I think 37,500, guys, if I'm not mistaken. So again, guys, if you want to buy this one, just connect your wallet or create account here at the pump.fun. Sign in here. Okay, and then buy using your USDT, guys. Okay? So again, this is the Soul Girl on Twitter and on Solana, guys. Okay? So the roadmap has a phase 1 active, launch on pump.fun, create socials, deck screener listing, buybacks burn, giveaways contest, first MA, and market begins. Okay, I think that's all about this Soul Girl, guys. You can visit their Twitter here on the Telegram also and buy their token at the pump.fun guys. So again, this is Crypto Asi guys. Bye-bye.